On Wednesday, October 16th, the region of Liguria, Italy, was hit by a fierce wave of bad weather, causing severe disruption across the northwestern part of the country. Heavy rainfall battered the region, pushing rivers to their limits, with several breaking their banks, leading to widespread flooding. In the Savona area, the Bormida River overflowed, submerging the towns of Ferrania, Altare, and Cairo Montenotte, leaving residents scrambling to protect their homes and property. The streets turned into rivers, with floodwaters rushing through residential areas, while emergency crews worked tirelessly to respond to the growing crisis. The transportation infrastructure of Liguria also faced significant setbacks due to the relentless rains. Train services were suspended between Loano and Pietra Ligure, affecting both daily commuters and long-distance travelers. Many roads were rendered impassable, with major routes closed due to flooding and fallen trees. The latter was eventually reopened after crews cleared the debris, but the damage had already impacted daily life. The situation was so severe that schools were forced to take emergency measures. In the La Spezia area, officials decided to close schools on Thursday to protect students and staff from the dangers posed by the extreme weather. Meanwhile, in Celle Ligure, children found themselves trapped in classrooms as the weather alert prevented them from leaving safely. The crisis extended beyond Liguria, with weather alerts in force in neighboring regions. Piedmont, Emilia-Romagna, and Tuscany were also bracing for the possibility of similar flooding and storm damage, as weather patterns showed no signs of letting up. Emergency services across these regions remained on high alert, preparing for the potential escalation of the weather crisis. As the region grappled with these challenges, the resilience of the Ligurian people was put to the test once again. With rivers still swollen and the threat of further downpours, the full extent of the damage was yet to be seen.